Okay, so let us discuss this map, that is G43S10. Okay. Give the 4-figure grid reference of Dhan. So we can see Dhan, that is at this place. Okay, Dhan is at 5234. Okay, this line of, okay, easting is 52 and here we have 34. Okay, this is easting and this is northing. First you have to read the easting and then the northing. So Dhan is at 52, this is 52 and this is 34. Okay, the next question, Bhamra. Where is Bhamra? Okay, Bhamra is here. Bhamra is here. Okay, yes, you can see this one. So Bhamra is here. Okay, so this line is 50, this easting is 50 and 32. So Bhamra is at 5032. Okay, first you have to read the easting and then the northing. Okay, so this is Bhamra. Okay, you can see this is Bhamra here. Okay, so this is 5032. Next question, name the major settlement in the map extract. Give 2 reasons. Name the major settlement in the map extract and give 2 reasons. Okay, now the major settlement in the map extract is, okay, this one, Dantrai. Okay, this is the major settlement. Okay, you see this one? This is the major settlement. Now, why is it the major settlement? Okay, this settlement, Dantrai, is the major settlement. Why is it so? It is so because see, it has a police chowki. It has a police chowki, right? It has a police chowki. It has a post office. It has a police chowki. It has a post office, and it is connected with metal roads. Okay, see, it is not connected with only one metal road. It is connected with so many metal roads going in different directions. It is connected with this metal road, and there is one here, there is one here, there is going in this direction also here and all. Okay, so it is a very important settlement because it is connected with various metal roads. It has a police chowki, it has a post office also. Okay, for this reason. And there are other minor facilities also. It has a diggi, it has various temples also. Okay. Okay, and there is a dispensary also. Okay, I can see a dispensary also here. Okay, there is also a dispensary also. Okay, now, why are some parts of the map extract not suitable for cultivation? Why are some parts of the map not suitable for cultivation? Okay, now you can give various reasons. Okay, you can see these white patches. These white patches are barren land which has been left uncultivated due to scarcity of rainfall. So if you come across a question, okay, they often ask you a question that as to why are there so many white patches in the map. So for this question you will mention that these white patches indicate barren land which has been left uncultivated due to scarcity of rainfall. Now coming back to our main question, why some parts of the map extract is not suitable for cultivation. Okay, some parts of the map are not suitable for cultivation because there is this thing. Okay, they are covered with rocks. They are covered with rocks. See, okay, you can see this one, this rock outcrop. Can you see this rock outcrop? Okay, and then here we have a sheet rock as well. Okay, we have a sheet rock as well. Okay, we have a sheet rock. And then we have the cases of broken grounds. Okay, yes, I have come across a number of parts of the map, okay, where there are broken grounds. Okay, can you see this one? This one, these black curved lines, these are what? Broken grounds. So we can give various reasons as to why, okay, some parts of the map are not suitable for cultivation. So we can say that some parts of the map are not suitable for cultivation because they are either covered with broken grounds or they are covered with rocks. They are covered with rocks. And then they are also covered with open scrub. Okay, they are also covered with open scrub. Okay, you can see this one, open scrub. So that is also one of the reasons. So you can give 2 reasons basically. Some parts of the map are not suitable for cultivation because they are covered with broken grounds, okay, or open scrubs. Okay. Now calculate the area of the map from eastings 49 to 54 and northings 31 to 36. Now for this one you can use a very simple calculation. Okay, you can use a very simple calculation, and that is this. Okay, you can use this simple calculation to calculate the area. You can say like eastings into northing. Okay, you have to multiply the difference between the eastings and the northing. So 54 minus 49, okay, and 36 minus 31. Okay, so it will get 5 into 5, that is 25 kilometer square. Okay, you have to write 25 kilometer square. Okay, what will you write? Eastings into northings. Okay, eastings into northings. Okay, this is so simple. You have to multiply the difference between the eastings and the northings. Okay, and then you will get your answer. Eastings into northings, you will get 25 kilometer square. Okay, now the next question. What do you understand by the black vertical line close to easting 51? Okay, now close to 51 there is a black line. Okay, yes, they are probably talking about this one. Okay, this line. Okay, this line. So this black vertical line, okay, like be it any map, if you find a vertical line, a straight vertical line of this type, these are always lines of longitude. Okay, these are always lines of longitude. Now this map, okay, it has two vertical black lines. Okay, one is near easting 51 and one is near easting 55. Okay, see this one, you see this one, this is another one. Okay, this is also a line of longitude. And what about this line, okay, this line, this horizontal line, this is a line of latitude, this is a line of latitude, a perfectly straight line. Okay, this is a line of latitude. Okay, now we go to another question. Dotted line running in the northern part of the map extract. Okay, dotted line running in the northern part of the map extract. Okay, they are talking about this one. Okay, this one. This line, okay, this line. Okay, this is like, it has a greenish background and it has dots. So this is taluka boundary. This is taluka boundary. Okay, you can see this one. They are talking about this one. This is taluka boundary, right? Okay, now state the highest and the lowest spot height found in the map extract. Also mention whether they are in meters or in feet. Okay, let me tell you the first one. They are always in meters. Okay, I have always told you that these lines are always in meters. Okay, so the highest spot height, okay, the highest spot height is 342. Okay, it is 342. Okay, it is near Dantrai. Okay, it is near Dantrai. Okay, yes, we have found. Okay, yes, they're talking about this one. Okay, this spot height, this is 342 meters. Okay, and the lowest one is 274. Okay, you can see this one is 274. The lowest is 274. Now the next question. Explain the following. Sheet rock. Okay, now what is the meaning of sheet rock? Okay, now what are sheet rocks? Sheet rocks are basically horizontally embedded rocks, okay, which are found in dry or semi-dry regions. Okay, horizontally embedded rocks. Embedded means they are inside the ground but they are exposed also. जमीन के अंदर है मगर बाहर expose हो जाते हैं, because what happens when winds blow in these dry regions, okay, what happens, the topsoil is blown away, और जो नीचे जमीन के अंदर rocks हैं, they come out of the surface and they are polished कैसे होते हैं, जब तेज हवा चलती है उससे abrasion होता है and they are kind of polished. Okay, and they are spread over a large area, so they are called sheet rocks. Okay, now next question. Stony waste. What is the meaning of stony waste? It is a land which is covered with stones. Okay, it is a land which is covered with stone. It is a barren land which is covered with stones. So basically, if you find that there is a sheet rock, there is a stony waste, rock outcrop, okay, it basically means there is some kind of rock structure and which makes the land unsuitable for cultivation. So what can be the probable occupation of such places where you have sheet rock, rock outcrop or stony waste? What can be the occupation there? Grazing of goat, camel, sheep, horses. ये आपका वहां पे क्या हो सकता है, ऑक्यूपेशन हो सकता है. कल्टीवेशन तो आप वहां नहीं करेंगे स्टोनी एरिया में. द मैक्सिमम यू कैन डू इज यू कैन ग्रेज योर गोट, कैमल, शीप एंड हॉर्सेस. What is the main occupation of the people of the above area? Justify your answer with the reason. यहाँ तो इन्होंने पूछ लिया है justify with the reason, but मैं तो आपको हमेशा ही ये एडवाइस किया है कि जब भी आप कोई आंसर लिखेंगे तो हमेशा your answer should be backed by a suitable reason. Okay, don't write because of this. Okay, आपको क्या लिखना है? Which is indicated by the presence of this thing, या which is indicated by the absence of this thing. तो यहाँ पे you can see that the major part of the map, although it has a number of white patches भी बहुत हैं इस मैप में, लेकिन फिर भी हम कहेंगे कि this is yellow wash है इस मैप में. So what is the meaning of yellow wash? You see this yellow wash, okay, you see this part, okay, yellow, it has yellow wash. Okay, majority फिर भी yellow ही है, okay, नीचे तक अगर आप देखेंगे. So how can we say that this the main occupation is cultivation? It is indicated by the presence of yellow wash, and it also has perennial lined wells. Okay, perennial lined wells or irrigation wells indicated by blue dots, and then you can say that the land is flat. Okay, and there are various perennial lined wells for irrigation. Okay, that reason you can give. Then you have name one natural and one man-made source of irrigation. Okay, so for natural source of irrigation you can say there are streams also. Okay, they can also be used. Okay, and there are tanks. Okay, there are tanks as well. And man-made, for man-made you can say perennial line wells. Okay, natural source of irrigation you can say tanks, and for man-made you can say perennial lined wells indicated by blue dots. Okay, now the next question, last question also. What are the different modes of transport used in this region? So the different modes of transport used, okay, you can see these are metal road. Okay, these are metal roads. Okay, these are metal roads, you can see. Okay, these are metal roads. There are cart tracks as well, and then there are unmetal roads also. Okay, this is an unmetal road, this is a metal road, and there are these red lines. Okay, these are what? These are cart tracks. Okay, now what is the purpose of these cart tracks? Okay, cart tracks connect small rural settlements. Cart tracks connect small rural settlements. Okay, so this is all about this map. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, and I hope this helps you. Thank you so much.